Okay, hi again everybody. This is the Just the Hits video for the box of titanium we just opened up. It was 181214563, the serial number. This is box break number 5 for titanium hockey. So just the hits. Gustafsson, game worn gear, Toronto Maple Leafs. Alfredson, gold parallel, number 8/10, Ottawa Senators. Datsuk, dual jersey and auto out of 100, Detroit Red Wings. Pittsburgh Penguins, rookie dual signatures, Simone Dupré and Joe Vital. Dual game worn gear out of 300, Krejci and Bergeron for the Boston Bruins. And New York Rangers, Marian Gabbert, game worn gear. Okay, remember about the Panini Prime case break tonight. Thanks, everybody. Have a good day.